In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best-selling products on Alibaba. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand your product line, identifying top-performing products can make all the difference. Alibaba, being one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, offers an abundant selection of products. However, navigating through millions of listings to find the best sellers can be daunting. So let's dive in and explore a clear, effective strategy to uncover these gems. First, open up Alibaba's website on your browser. It's a good idea to set up your account if you haven't already, as having an account might give you additional insights tailored to your needs. Once on the homepage, locate the search bar. This is where you'll type in keywords related to the type of products you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking for electronics, simply type electronics into the search bar. This not only helps direct your search, but also brings up a list of suggestions specific to the category you're interested in. Once you've entered your keywords and hit search, you'll see a range of products listed. At this point, focus on filtering your search results. Look just above the product listings for filter options such as categories, price range, and minimum order quantity. These filters are your best friend. They allow you to narrow down your search to suit your specific needs and budget, ensuring you're not overwhelmed by irrelevant options. Now take a closer look at the results. Notice the sorting options on the page and choose to sort by best match or transactions. Sorting by transactions often helps to highlight products that have higher sales volumes, indicating popularity. However, don't solely rely on this. Sometimes products with lower transactions might be trending or relatively new, so use these as indicators rather than the only deciding factor. At this stage, you'll want to scroll through the results and click on a few products that catch your eye. Click on the product details to view crucial information such as detailed product descriptions, factory capacities, and customer reviews. Pay particular attention to supplier assurance and certifications, as these can be indicative of reliability and quality. You might also want to look at the transaction history that can help confirm a product's continuous popularity or any recent spikes in sales that might reflect a new trend. Finally, use Alibaba's communication tools to contact suppliers directly. Engaging in a conversation allows you to inquire about bulk discounts, shipping information, and even the opportunity to negotiate pricing. This step can provide deeper insight into the demand trends for the product, offering you another angle to confirm your product's popularity. Remember, building a rapport with a supplier can also benefit you in learning about new best sellers before they become widely searched, giving you a competitive edge. And there you have it. By following these comprehensive steps on Alibaba, you can identify and source high-demand products with confidence, paving the way for your business success. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Alibaba product hunt.